If you are wondering if we have a pop-up view or floating window mode available on Google Pixel 10a, then the answer is unfortunately no. At least right now, it is not possible to open any app in the floating window mode. Let's say if I use the Play Store, which is usually available to use in the pop-up view on other smartphones. If I try to open it in any way other than the full screen, unfortunately, it seems that it is not possible to find that option. There is no way to actually use the pop-up view. There is no option in here. In the past, you could also use developer options in order to force enable the freeform option, and that would allow you to have that floating window mode of an app. But it seems that the option is gone. Now if we go to developer options and if I try to find that option in here, there is no way to find it. Usually it was somewhere in the drawing section, I believe, if I remember correctly, or maybe even somewhere below. But in this case right now, it seems that this feature has been removed. There's also this one, window management. I think it was actually here, but there is no way to turn it back on or turn it on at all. It seems that this option is simply removed. And if I try to search for it, the free form, let's type it over here. Unfortunately, no results at all. So right now, it is not possible to use the floating window mode on Google Pixel 10a. Leave a like and subscribe.